Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the flight management computer. Enter your origin, destination, and SID/star, then verify waypoints and altitude constraints in the FMGC. This gives the autopilot a route to fly. Once done, set the MCP selected speed, initial heading, and altitude preselect. These tell the autopilot how to control speed and climb. Make sure the autopilot master is armed but not engaged yet. You want the aircraft ready to capture the lateral and vertical modes when you request them. With the route loaded and MCP set, engage lateral guidance. Press NAV or LNAV to follow the FMGC flight plan. Confirm flight director cues on the PFD. Next, choose vertical control. Select VS for a fixed climb/descent rate, Alt-hold to maintain altitude, or VNAV to follow the FMC vertical profile. VNAV is preferred for managed climbs and descents. Then press AP1 or AP2 to engage autopilot. Watch the mode control panel and the PFD enunciations to ensure it captured the correct lateral and vertical modes. As you near the approach, arm LOC or APP and dial the ILS course on the MCP. Reduce speed and set flaps according to checklist so the autopilot can capture glide slope and localizer. If you plan to handfly, disconnect the autopilot well before minimums. For auto land, ensure both autopilots and auto brake/auto thrust configurations meet requirements. If the system won't capture, immediately confirm NAV source, FMGC active route, MCP altitude and speed, then rearm or briefly disconnect and re-engage to retrigger capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.